Yes, brand new book is hot off the presses, Suspension Calisthenics. Link is down below for paperback and Kindle formats, or if you wish to just download it in a PDF, you can get that through the RDP merch store down below as well. And this is a book I just had to write, not just because I've been obsessed with suspension training ever since I was into calisthenics, but because whenever I watch people doing suspension stuff online or even in the gym, I find that they're missing so many big pieces and elemental components to their training if their goal is actually to build muscle and strength. Because a lot of this stuff is like the athletic, functional training, high skill stuff that's a lot of fun and it can add a lot of variety. But I swear it's like some of this is just based off of a dare from the trainers in the back office saying, hey, I bet you $10 you can't get your client to do this wacky exercise in your next session. And they're like, you're on. So I wrote this manual to just lay it all out of everything you need to know if you want to use suspension straps for the sake of building muscle and strength. Now, I do have to warn you, though, that there's nothing fancy in this book. There's not a whole lot of stuff that's going to make you an Instagram star or make you look really cool at the local park and stuff. In fact, a lot of these exercises are, well, boring in nature. And the reason is because the boring stuff works best. We don't want stuff that's going to require a high degree of skill and coordination, because the more of that stuff necessary, the harder it is to adequately stimulate your muscles to get the results that you want. But I did throw in some extra chapters there. I've got a chapter on suspension mobility training, on how the suspension straps are not only just a weight machine in your pocket, but the world's greatest mobility device. And I also have a special chapter on my latest DIY suspension straps, which you can build for basically $10, and they're only comprised of 3 pieces. So once again, check it out down below in Kindle, paperback, and PDF forms. Let me know if you have questions in the comments section that I can answer for you. And thank you very much for watching. Be fit and live free.